The most important thing for us is achieving the best possible result. To reach this goal, we require special and difficult training. Preparation is very important to do a great job. Even the smallest detail must be perfect. Above all, we care about safety and we ensure that everything is properly prepared. Being professional means leaving nothing to chance. But to be professional, we must be happy, and to be happy, we must be under the snow for the daily race. We hope it continues to snow until the summer, but we are professionals and work comes first. Sometimes. Always remember, be simple, be smart.